friends, and I'm sure you've been enjoying your weekend thoroughly. And a couple of things I wanted to let you know. If you have been in our WhatsApp channel, this is the views you might be seeing. Uh, so we have predicted. I mean, we were almost bull throughout the whole week. Uh, Friday, though the market was very boring, was subscriber. We picked up 25,600 call and held for 10 20 points. So this is the market. With, no, if you see there is, if you see this weekly chart, a very strong movement. Okay. Now I have, I'm expecting a target of 20, not 26,000, 28,000. Now how do you derive the target? I think you'll all know shortly when the target hits. If you see Bank Nifty, okay, let me share you the levels for tomorrow. That's Monday. So if uh, price needs to sustain, I mean, price needs to retrace back to 25,400 for a bigger upside. Okay, only below 25,350 I will think of shorting tomorrow. And if you're asking whether the market is bearish or we can expect some 1,000 points fall, I'm really very skeptical about it. But let me tell you which level, or rather which level become bearish. 25 to 70, below 25 to 40 to 70, these two levels. Okay, this is the range market will be, held for stronger bull run. If price, for example, tomorrow, okay, price does not sustain, okay, it creates this pattern, it gets into this pattern, we will see some bearishness still here. Okay, this is the expectation. However, if you're asking me which level I will be highly bullish, then this is the range. But yes, see, market doesn't go in just straight lines. It needs to go like a wave. Okay, like this. So we can enter here, exit here, enter here, exit here. So you cannot take a, when I say when we are expecting 28,000 plus, we cannot take 28,000 call and wait. Okay. Let us look at the option chain data also. So this will give us a good understanding how the market is also placed. Now we cannot totally depend on option chain for trading, but we will get an idea where the big players, I mean, sorry, where the players are sitting. Big players will be sitting anywhere. Okay, they very quickly exit, enter, and trade. So let's look at option chain total open interest. Okay, total open interest. Okay, a lot of changes. FI data also has been as is here. Okay, great. So I think there's a bit of, I have not been using this much option builder, portfolio builder, options, option chain. Where is the option chain? Okay, okay, it's here. think there are a lot of changes in this as well. Okay. So where are we? 25,600 levels, right? This is where we are. Okay. Where is the highest option build up on the call side? 24,800. Oh, sorry, there is no option chain. Okay, I don't think there's a lot of changes in this site. I've not been using this open interest. Okay, this is all. So this, if you see here, where is there a resistance? Not much. But yes, you see support, 25,000 support. You see a red here at 25,550. These are, mind, you can read your days are put writers. Here tomorrow, so there is put writer again at 25,600, around 77,000. Okay, and the next call writer is at 25,700. So almost about 70 points away. So that means to say the market is not very confident, or rather market is not very confident on the downside. That's why they are easily return the puts. Okay, and highest is at 26,000. The next highest is at 26,500. Okay, this is for this is the June. Let's look at the entire July month. Same thing over here. If you see, the highest writing is on the put side. Call side only 26,000, and then 26,450. So you see that gap, there is a big gap. Okay, having said that, now let me show you how I'm deriving at this data. Okay, just put a Fibonacci. Okay, let's find the target. For the swing. Okay, where is 26,000? Okay, I think we will look at the weekly, right? Okay, yeah, this is where I will look at. So when we take the swing of this and the high and low, you will easily find the target. 28,000 plus. There will be resistance over here. Okay. So big chapter. I will talk about Fibonacci in another video, maybe another 2 days. But just see the way the weekly candles. There's no stopping. There is no retracement downside. Market is only looking bullish. Every dip is going up. Okay. Now what stocks am I looking for tomorrow? I'm looking at LIC. Okay. If you ask my entry level, I would look for entries over here, or rather if there's a dip, I'll look for entries over here and buy. Okay, KEI Industries, Tata Chemicals, Bajaj Auto, Dal Bharat, Granules, Paytm, PEL, ICICI Prudential. These stocks I have kept in my radar for tomorrow option day trading. Okay. Now, many keep asking which indicators to use, all that. Let me give you one indicator. Of course, most of you would know the EMA, right? EMA or simple moving average. Take it 3 moving averages. Just very simple. Change this uh, 20, sorry, 30, 60 and 200. We'll be taking the closing. Now, how to trade this? When this price crossed, do we directly enter the longs? No. You mark the high and low here. Mark the high and low. And of course, you need to look at the big players buyers data also. That will actually really give you the whether the orders bulls buyers are coming or sellers are coming. That will give you the clearer picture. Here, if you see, market came down. Do we sell when this candle comes down? No. Mark the high and low here, right? So price went back, came down, crossed this low. Then we look for selling. So this is a simple way of trading. There are a lot of strategies. I just give one uh, strategy, to be honest. Depends on your uh, strategy you can trade. Okay. So now, what is the target for Bank Nifty? Same way, I think you can analyze. I think I'm not drawn. Let us see what is the target for. You see, Bank Nifty retraced down and then almost about 460 points rally. Okay. So tomorrow price has to, according to me, price has to move down till here for a bigger build-up. Okay. So we will see how market trades. We will have another data level tomorrow. Okay. And around 10 o'clock, I'll share the next levels. So thank you. God bless you all. Have a